You're right, lads. So, first of all, I wanted to thank you for subscribing because a lot of people subscribed recently. I've been quite happy about it. But this video I'm making now is just going to be a little rough, little mess around with GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition because I just wanted to see what it's like, sort of POV shots, and I was thinking of maybe doing a bit of a driving shot with a Corsa and maybe giving it a review or something. I've also thinking of using it for doing some of my how-to videos. Although I'm not sure if you like that sort of angle or if you prefer me to sort of record with the normal camera. So I can continue the normal format or can give it a go. I've still got the starter motor to do after like fucking 6 months of keeping it and saying I'll do a video. If anyone wants me to do it, I can do it. It's fine. Because I don't particularly need to change the part, but I can do. So anyway, please enjoy this like short little 5-minute drive around. I'm just going to add some music to it, and that's about it. Alright, thanks for subscribing guys, and I'll see you later.